Sophia here for my great challenge. Just want to give you a quick update and announce the winner of the Sewers Club box. The quick update is that you probably noticed I put a message on Facebook and YouTube sometimes this week that the YouTube channel had been somewhat hacked by scammers, and there's really nothing I can do about that, but I wanted to apologize to those of you who received a message. In your comments, for those of you who said that you wanted to be entered in the giveaway, some robot, and I don't know who's behind it, decided that it was a good idea to announce that you were the winner, and I think 180 people or so got that message. And out of all of those people, a few of you reached out to me, jumping up and down, thinking that you had won, and I'm sorry, it wasn't me. When there's a giveaway, I announce the giveaway on this channel, so you would know it would come from me. And I feel terrible about that. I really do. It's crummy behavior, it really is. I'm trying to figure out a way to avoid having situations like that again. And I think what happens is that they are looking for keywords. So if I put a hashtag giveaway, or if I write giveaway in the description box, I don't think the title, but in the description box, what happens is that it activates this type of behavior. In addition to all of the porn. So there was a lot of German porn this time around. Usually it's Spanish, but this time around was German. So I'm trying to be understanding and nice about it. Like, I get it, this is a public page, so we are open to this kind of behavior, but I'm hoping that you understand that this is what's going on with YouTube right now, that the amount of time that is being spent moderating the comment section, getting rid of all the spammers, and then responding to people who were under the impression they won, is taking a lot of time. And I don't mind doing it, I just feel horrible for all of the ladies who reached out to me and gave me their address and email address because they thought that they won, and there's no way I can make this feeling better. There's no way. So I just wanted to say that I'm really sorry that happened, and I'm gonna try my very best to circumvent that by not using giveaway in keywords and description, or not mention it at all. I don't want to stop doing giveaways. I have 2 more coming up, and one of them is wait until you see that. Joanne, I love small businesses, okay, and I'm absolutely 100%, 120% supportive of women starting their own business. And Joanne started her own business, and she's making goat milks and honey soap and pens. They're the cutest thing. So she made me a box for a giveaway. So I have that coming up that has soap, and I believe it has pens in it too. And then I have another giveaway coming up that's like a wireless Wi-Fi connected smoke and carbon monoxide detector that I'm really looking forward to review. So I'm not going to stop doing giveaways, but I just want to give you a heads up. When I do a giveaway, if you get a message or a reply to your comment that says that you won, it's not from me. I just want to be very clear. It's not from me. It's a scam. The amount of messages I had to remove was just crazy. And it doesn't matter if you put remove and report. Usually when you report to YouTube, that number doesn't show again, and then all of the other messages are removed, but they kept coming back with different alternative names and IDs. So there's really nothing much I can do about that. I don't think I'm going to spend the same amount of time next time trying to remove all those comments. It was insane this week. It was just insane. So again, I want to apologize if you experienced that and if you thought that you had won when in fact you didn't. I can only imagine the feeling, but there's nothing I can do about that. So yeah, moving forward, if there's a comment or a reply or even an email that you receive from a different name, okay, if it doesn't come from My Great Challenge, or if I didn't do a video, well, I'm always going to do a video to announce the winner, which is what I'm going to do today. So if your name is not in the video, or if I didn't contact you personally from my email, mygreatchallenge@gmail.com, then it's a scam. And I want you to be very careful with that. Some people who watch YouTube and some of my subscribers are not all that computer savvy and experienced in this kind of stuff. And a lot of them, I understand, texted back to those companies because there was like a phone number attached to it. I would never give you my phone number. But anyway, some people fell for it and contacted them, and it's just, please don't do that. If it doesn't come from me and I didn't announce it as a YouTube video, which is what I'm doing today for one winner, it's not me, okay? Just be safe out there, and I'll do my very best on my end to try to minimize the invasion of spam, scams, porn, and the negativity that filters through the comments, because nobody got time for that. Okay, so that was my quick update, and I'm really sorry. There's nothing I can do about it, but I just feel so bad. Anyway, let's pick a winner, shall we? Okay, so Willie's here and he's going to pick the winner. So I'm gonna go up and down and you tell me when to stop.
Stop.
What's the name?
Faye Hilliard.
Faye Hilliard. Okay, so Faye Hilliard, you are the... Thank you, Willie.
You're welcome.
Such a cutie. So Faye Hilliard, you are the winner of the Sewers Club box. Please contact me at mygreatchallenge@gmail.com and then provide me with your address, your full name and your address, and I will forward that to the Sewers Club and they will mail a box directly to you. And again, I think they're from Canada. So thank you, all of you who participated in this giveaway. It was a lot of people and I only had one box, so there was only one winner. I'm again super sorry that there was scam going on in the thread, and rest assured that I'm going to do my very best to try to avoid a similar situation next time I do a giveaway. But you know, safety first. Again, if it didn't come from me and I didn't announce anything on video, it's not from me. Do not reply and do not text them. Please do not text these people. And that was it. So that was my little update and my winner announcement. It was Faye Hilliard. I hope you enjoy your box. Thank you all who participated, and I will see you for the next giveaway sometimes in the next 2 weeks. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hey, it's me, and guess what? Click that thumbs up if you really like this video. Thumbs down twice if you didn't. You can also share my video if you really liked it, or save it to watch later. Also, you can subscribe to my channel, but don't forget to click that bell button so you are always notified when I post a new video. Thank you for watching.